Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Balance Group Modern Manufacturer. So exciting to see you all here. I'm Johnny for Balance Group. Now I'm in Jiangsu Nantong, the location of the Balance Group factory. What are we going to share today? Tire changer is the most vital equipment in our daily work. U-256T is the superstar model that I would love to strongly recommend you to get more information about that, because it is always our ace helper, available for all kinds of tire issues. For a high volume tire shop with a high-end quality and a remarkable performance. When the machine U-256T hit to the market, it becomes one of the most popular models in the market. Now let's focus on U-256T. It is a titanium top tire changer with 056 assist arm and the T03 leverless demount and mount head. Its largest size 26-inch turntable allows the operator to handle a wide range of tires from 12 to 26 inch. Besides, with the fast and slow adjustable speed, can help to control the operating rhythm of the mount and demount tires. Look, it's so easy by the pedal control. With all these helps, no matter you get to deal with the passenger car tires or the light trunk tires all in one machine. Its humanized operation, high efficiency performance will assist you to get more business opportunities. Next, Miss Shai will take you to experience the charm of the tire changer U-256T. Hello Shai! Have you tried to operate the tire changer before?
Yes, of course. The operation of our equipment is so easy to handle, even for a tiny girl like me.
That's amazing! We are so expecting. Firstly, let's check the tire reference together. This is a tire with 275/40 range 90 inch.
Generally speaking, such kind of tire is a little bit hard to handle.
Let's see how U-256T provides the solution with the easy operation perfectly. Now Shai, would you please help us to press the tire with the powerful enlarged speed breaker? Okay, now we finish the tire pressing, and then put the tire on the turntable. The 26-inch turntable is available to match the mold of the tires in the market. The center positioning functions of the professional held arm can quickly help to clamp the tires, especially when you attach a T03 leverless hook on it. Let's have a look at its performance. T03 is reliable and powerful. Its maximum power reaches 640 kg, which making the tire changer operation can be done without using the traditional tire lever. The combination of the 056 held arm plus the T03 automatic mount and demount head is a super helper for you to increase the efficiencies and save labor costs in the process of the tire removal. After lubricate the tire bead, Shai is mounting the tire. The whole operation is safety and efficient. And then, let's check the 3-point pressing held arm system. It allows to deal with the low-profile tire with least effort. Sometimes you need 2 or 3 people to handle a stubborn tire, but with U-256T, things become easier. During the demounting and mounting process, control the rotating speed of the turntable, can help you to observe the status of the tires and ensure the safety of the demounting process. Fans shine for fantastic operation. Yes, actually most of the basic model can be upgraded by adding the held arms, TCOV leverless hook and other accessories like the tool cabinet, and even inflated gun to become a supermodel. You can chat with our sales representative for more details. And you may have chance to take the accessory for free in this event. If your workshop will accept a lot of cars with run flat and low profit tires, why not considering upgrading your machine to the more powerful and efficient one? U-256T is definitely worth it. U-256T and U-579 are a pair combination for the initial design inspiration. Therefore, we strongly recommend that you use them together. They can perfectly help your workshop to quickly solve the user's real problems. All kinds of the flat tire or the sport cars and racing cars can be perfectly solved. With the charm car combination, you can avoid your worry about the automatic repairment issue. What are you waiting for? Let's do something now! Our online customer service is waiting for you. If you place an order now, the discount will be more favorable. I'm Johnny from Balance Group. Thank you for your special visiting. Please keep following our Live Studio. More wonderful products are waiting for you.